Hey you guys, this is Daphne O, and I'm back with a quick video. I just want to show you guys how to use the object eraser that comes on certain Samsung phones. I'm not sure if it comes on their tablets, but it do come on some of their phones. This video goes by real quick, so I'm not going to do a voiceover the entire time, but I will come back here and there if I need to add anything to it. Alright. I will be erasing the balloons in this picture. You can barely see it on the screen, but there are 3 balloons back there above my head. I made a mistake and clicked the side of the screen, so I had to start over because I didn't want to erase that. I'm going to erase the 3 balloons, and it does leave like a shadowy effect behind once you erase it. And it's kind of hard to see on the screen why I erased the balloons. But I'm going to come back and erase myself out of the picture as well so you can see it even better. So I'm going to erase myself out the picture so that y'all can see it much better. I'm going to put a screen recording beside it because the screen recording just shows it much better. It's going to leave like a shadowy effect behind after, I'm erased out the picture. So this is not really good as far as like a total background remover, but if you want to move just little certain things out of your picture, this is a great tool to use. I'm using this on my Galaxy S22 Plus, but I'm pretty sure it's available on most of Samsung's phones. I'm not sure which all there are, but I'm pretty sure it's available on most of them. And we have made it to the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys being here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.